Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my investment challenge part 1. Right, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and you shouldn't be taking financial advice from me. I simply wanted to do a challenge and do a series of videos about my investments that I've made recently. Now you're going to want to watch the video to the end because one of these investments has already made 20% profit in just 1 week. I was approached by a friend of mine, Paul Brooksbank, mid-December about an interesting financial investment that he had an opportunity to share with me. Now at this stage I want to tell you a little bit about Paul. Paul was my action coach and business coach about 18 months ago, and he helped coach me into my business's most profitable year in its history. So if Paul's got a business idea, I tend to listen. Paul and I spoke on the phone the very next day about this opportunity and I listened with intent. I then went off and did a bit of research. However, we were in lockdown before Christmas. We were homeschooling the kids, preparing for Christmas, and it just wasn't the right time for me to take advantage of this opportunity. So I explained this to Paul and I said, Paul, I'm going to watch your investment with intent and I wish you the luck, and maybe I'd look at it again in the new year. Now, CashFX is an MLM, a multi-level marketing forex trading scheme, and my background is from an MLM. So I just wanted to put a bit of context to show you that I come from a multi-level marketing background and I certainly understand the compensation plans quite well. Now over Christmas I discussed this opportunity with some friends and with Lindsay, and none of them was encouraging enough for me to get involved, but also none of them had done any research into this. I did a little research and I could see that there were some negative reviews on the internet about CashFX, but I found more positive reviews and plenty of interesting videos explaining how CashFX works and how it's worked for others. So after Christmas I started this channel in the new year and I was looking for good content ideas. And it dawned on me I could probably make a series of videos about CashFX and show how CashFX works. And if CashFX turned out to be a good investment, it would show others and bring others on board. But also if CashFX didn't turn out to be a good investment, I figured I'd still have a series of videos showing people that they shouldn't invest in CashFX. So this is what this series of videos is about. I discussed this idea with my good friend Dave, and he suggested I should maybe invest $300 into shares. Dave said it would be a good comparison to show how CashFX stacks up against investing into shares at the same time. I thought this was a great idea, so this was born the $300 investment challenge. I said to Paul, I'm in, how do I sign up? And Paul helped me through the sign up procedure, which was fairly straightforward for CashFX. I invested $300 and I had to wait for my account to become active. I then explained to Paul that I wanted to make a series of videos about this, and Paul thought this was a great idea, but Paul thought I should invest $300 into Bitcoin, and he thought investing into Bitcoin would do better than the shares. So that evening at home, I fired up my Revolut app, I put $300 into the account, and I bought $75 of Apple stock, which at the time of purchase was $130.80 per share. I then bought $75 of Tesla stock, which at the time was $854.62 per share. Then I bought $75 of NIO stock, which was $62.20 a share. And finally, I bought $75 of XPeng stock, which was $51.53 per share. I then fired up my crypto wallet and I bought $300 of Bitcoin. But I didn't stop there. I thought if I'm going to make compelling, interesting videos, I should maybe buy a little more cryptocurrency. So I also bought $300 of Ethereum and $300 of Litecoin. As of today, Sunday the 24th of January, Bitcoin has performed the worst. It's currently $30 down on my initial investment. Ethereum did go down, but is back up to what was my initial investment, and Litecoin is currently down $20. So we're not doing too good on the cryptocurrencies. Again, all the stock investments took a dip initially, but we're now around $10 up in total. We're $5 up on Apple and we're $7 up on XPeng. NIO and Tesla are currently just below our initial investment. Now let's take a look at the final investment of CashFX. I must say last week I signed Lindsay up to CashFX and her account becomes active tomorrow. Now I earned $45 for signing Lindsay up to CashFX. I earned a $4.50 uni-level bonus, and I earned $11.55 in my trading pool for the week. It doesn't take a genius to see that I've earned 20% of my initial $300 investment in CashFX in just 1 week. Now, if you're still watching the video this far, you probably want to go and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications button so you're notified when I upload the next video. I'm not going to shoot a video each week about these investments. I'll probably do one a month to keep you guys updated in my profits and losses on the $1,500 I have invested. If you are going to invest any money, you want to take advice from a financial advisor, not from me. And you shouldn't invest any more money than you can afford to lose. So if any of you guys want to find out more about CashFX, there's a link in the description below. Also, I'll put in my email address in the description below. So if you want to find out any more information, please get in touch. I hope I'll see you guys on the next video.